Bakit hindi nabebenta ang bahay mo kahit maganda naman? Madaming sellers ngayon ang nagtatanong niyan, lalo na dito sa GTA market. In 2025, we're seeing slower sales and longer days on market, lalo na sa mga bahay na price too high. Interest rates may have eased slightly, pero buyers are still cautious and price sensitive. Kaya kung overpriced ang listing mo kahit ng konti, it easily gets ignored. Like this quote says, most homes don't sell because they're priced based on what you need, what you spent, or what you hope, not what it's actually worth in today's market. In the GTA right now, ang average home price are down about 3 to 5% year over year. Ang condos especially have higher inventory. Buyers have more options. Mas matagal silang mag-decide. That means emotion-based pricing, like gusto ko lang mabawi yung renovation, just doesn't work anymore. The market decides, not the seller. Kung seryoso ka sa pagbibenta, have your agent do a fresh market analysis based on last year's highs but this month's realities. Tandaan, pricing it right attracts buyers. Pricing it high helps your neighbor sell faster.